Bike at the back of Dream Team here. We are checking out this model home behind us. This is the copper model. This is a 1,960 square foot home, 3 to 4 bedrooms depending on options, 2 bathrooms with a 2-car garage tandem, and a extra large RV garage. Let's go check it out. So once you enter the home here, you have this very large covered entry right here with 2 recessed lightings. And this is a great area, you know, if you're waiting for somebody to pick you up and it's raining outside, don't have to stand out in the rain. And when you enter the home right here, and your first bedroom on your left here, standard sized bedroom with a side facing window. Apologies for no furniture in the house, but I mean, I'm 6 foot, so try to imagine kind of what it looks like in here. You could easily fit a queen size bed in here and a nightstand. On your way to the bathroom, you actually had this side facing window right here that looks over that covered area. So if somebody knocks on your door, you can kind of see when your Amazon package comes. And in here you have your single sink with a large mirror, under cabinet, tile shower. And then this is the front facing bedroom as well. You have a single window right here which lets in plenty of natural light. As you can see, there's not even a light fixture in here and it's well lit as well. Leaving the front bedrooms, on your next left, you have this flex room right here. This flex room, you do have the option to add on a whole closed off area to put doors right here. So if you want to make it into an office or a dining room where you can close the doors, enjoy a nice quiet meal. Don't have to hear the dogs barking while you're on a meeting. Make this a really nice office. You have your side-facing windows, which lets in plenty of natural lighting. And we don't even have a light fixture on here, so you can see it's well lit, this room already. And I love when you walk down the whole way, you had this recessed lighting all throughout the ceiling here. It almost looks like a landing zone in a way for a plane. And we are in America's seaplane city in Tavares. On your left here, you have the kitchen with quartz countertops, 42-inch cabinets, stainless steel appliances, deep sink, dishwasher right here, cabinets underneath as well throughout the kitchen island, and a very large pantry. And walking from the kitchen, this is where the great room is. You see there's plenty of natural lighting as well, windows all around. You can put your TV right here, a couch right here, see what's cooking up for dinner while watching the big game. Once you're to the covered lanai right here, you had like these butterfly doors that both open inward. You have your recessed lighting above, plenty of room to put either a grill, outdoor table, even the covered lanai. You had the dining room here and you have plenty of space for a very good sized dining room table. Coming from the dining room, you have the primary bedroom right here. The thing I love about this primary bedroom, you do have the option to add another door right here to lead out to that covered lanai. So if you don't want to walk around the dining room, go right from your bedroom right out there. And this primary bedroom, you do have dual back-facing windows, so you let in that natural light from the back. Entering the bathroom, on your left, you have a tiled-in shower, and on your right, you have quartz countertop, dual sink, large mirror, under cabinet sink area, walk-in closet with recessed lighting above. And let's go head over to the laundry room. You have this area, you're kind of wondering what it's for. You do have the option to add in cabinets, but if you don't want to have cabinets, you have plenty of space to put a refrigerator right here. You have your air handler in here, laundry room with washer and dryer, and the moment you all been waiting for, let's go check out the Ultra Garage. And this is it, the Ultra Garage. You want to have your boat hooked up with a trailer, don't want to hook it up at 3 a.m. to drive off to go on a lake, have it hooked up in your garage, ready to go. You want to have your RV, you could do it here. And you know, when you have an Ultra Garage, you want to have some Ultra toys. So you go on Facebook Marketplace, you see like a school bus, you're wondering, where am I gonna park something like this? You can park it in here, no problem. I mean, the storage is galore up here. You could put shelves almost endless in here. For people that don't have basements, which is most of Florida, you don't even need it. And in the Ultra Garage, you had the option of adding an Ultra Sink. It's not really what it's called. I thought it'd be a fun name. And if you don't have enough room over there for all your toys, you do have an attic right here so you can tuck stuff away. And sharing some exciting information about this community, we'll have a private pier, a walking trail, and a community boat dock, which leads to Lake Harris here in Tavares, Florida. We hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home here in Tavares, Florida. For you or anyone's real estate needs, reach out to our team. We'd love to be your real estate advisors of choice.